Hi guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. Today we're going to look at how to prune back your calla lilies after they've blossomed. So stay tuned and we'll get started. What you're looking for here is when your calla lily has blossomed and starts to curl up inside of itself like this and turn real green on the outside, or just gets really limp like this, you want to start pruning out these calla lilies. So what you're going to do is actually leave the leaves alone, but look for the base of the plant here and get as far down as you can and just get a nice pair of shears and snip it off just like that. So when you're done, the plant should look something like this one that we've done here, where you've got just green foliage and you've pruned out all those calla lilies, the actual lilies themselves. So there is some calla lilies will actually come back if you've done this early enough in the summer. They could actually grow new shoots this year, otherwise they'll grow in nice and full next year for you. So there you have it, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. As always, give this video a good thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell for some additional content to come. And as always, I hope you guys are staying safe and enjoying your gardens.